ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರೇ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ.
Good morning to you all.
Good morning, sir.
Please go to the next problem that we are going to solve today. This is a very typical problem. It is going for 10 marks. It's a 10 marks problem. And your case study, 20 marks compulsory, will also have a similar information. Then some extra information will be given, for which you'll have to apply section 80C, and then the applicable tax rates and the higher education cess, and arrive at the tax liability, the final tax liability. This problem here, illustration number 11, is very typical. As we go and check out what all is there here today. So this is, I am trying to use the latest assessment here that has gone, 2019-20. I have asked here. You can see here the basic pay that is given is there's a person by name Mr. R. He has received basic pay of rupees 5,500 per month. HRA he has received 2,400 per month. DA, which is 0% farming. When you say 0% farming, we should not use this DA for calculation of salary while we find the exempted HRA or the retirement benefits. So this DA will not form a part of the salary. He receiving such a DA to the extent of rupees 5,000 per month. Entertainment allowance he is receiving 1,200 per month. CCA, City Compensatory Allowance 600 per month he is receiving. Education allowance for 2 children. So this is something extra here. So now we have added one more allowance, education allowance. So he has received a total of rupees 800 per month for the 2 children that he is having. He and his employer, a private company here, I mentioned, contribute to the recognized provident fund at 14% salary. He lives in a rented house at Mysore on a monthly rent of rupees 3,000. He pays professional tax of rupees 200 per month. From the following particulars, calculate the income from salary for the assessment year 1920, taking into consideration section 16 deductions and applicable standard deduction. Okay. So we have to go up to the section 16 deductions. After gross income calculation, we have to move further to section 16 deductions. Which are the 3 section 16 deductions? First is standard deduction of 50,000 per month, 50,000 per year. Second one is for entertainment allowance, which is applicable only for government employees. And third one is the professional tax. So these 3 come under section 16 that we have seen in our previous problem. Okay, let us proceed further and see how do we go about. Okay, as I told you, we are going to let us start with the first one there. Give the first one. So he receives a basic salary of 5,500 per month. So basic salary is how much? 5,500 per month for 12 months. It is equal to how much? 5,500 into 12. 66,000?
6,60,000.
6,60,000 or 66,000.
No, sir. 6,60,000.
66,000.
Yeah, because it
Sorry,
is
66,000.
okay, 66,000.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I received 66,000. Exempt is nil and taxable is entire 66,000. Okay. The second one is which one? HRA. What they have given, I'm going through that. HRA. Okay, HRA he is receiving. How much is receiving HRA? 2,400 per month. 2,400 into 12. Okay, that comes to how much? 2,400 into
20,800.
sorry, they have given DA here. Okay, next is DA. Okay, let me take this next here. First, see the DA. Okay, second point they are given is no HRA only, right? Okay, let us say HRA only, yes. So let us go as per there, okay, the how it is flowing, same way let us also flow. So 2,412 is how much? 28,000.
28,800.
28,800.
Correct, okay. So he received 28,800. Okay. So let us find out now what is the exemption allowed. Okay, because it's HRA and exemption is minimum of the following. Okay. So see the first one there. Actual HRA received. Okay. So how much he has received? 28,800 received. The second one is second one, rent paid. Okay, rent paid minus 10% of salary. So 10% of salary. Okay, 10% of salary. So this comes to how much? So rent paid is how much? You can see there he must be okay. He resides in Mysore and he is paying a monthly rent of 3,000 rupees per month. Okay.
3,000.
Problem here, he receives or he pays 3,000 rupees rent and he stays in Mysore, which is a non-metro.
Mysore.
Okay? So rent paid is 3,000 into 12. Okay, so this is rent paid. And then minus 10%, 10% of salary. Okay, salary includes what and all? If you see there, basic. If there is a DA forming that one, and then you should use the commission. Okay, so in this case, what all is there? Basic is how much? 66,000. Okay, let us consider that 66,000 plus. Is there any DA that we can take here? DA is 0% farming. Okay, 0%. Okay, so we should not consider this DA here. So it becomes only 66,000.
Salary.
Yeah, 66,000 is the salary. So 3,000 into 12 minus 10% of 66,000. Check that. I think that comes to 29,400. So this is 36,000 minus 10% of 6,600. Isn't it?
29,400.
Equal to 29,000.
Auntie.
So one is this. Second is 400. And what is C? C will be 40% of salary. Why it is 40% here? Because it is a non-metro. Okay, Mysore is a non-metro. Salary is 66,000. How much it comes to? 26,400. out of these three, minimum is the minimum of these three, 28,800, 29,400, 26,400. Minimum is 26,400. So 26,400 is the exemption. And what is taxable? 2,000. Let us see next. What is next now? What is third one that is given there? After basic HRA, next is DA forming 5,000 per month. DA 0% forming. So that is equal to DA is how much? 5,500 into 12 is equal to how much? See, DA is 5,000, okay? Not 5,000, it is 5,000. So DA is 5,000. So that comes to 60,000. So this becomes here 60,000. Exemption is nil. So entire 60,000 is taxable. Okay. So DA So going further for the fourth one, what are the fourth one here? You see in basic, you see in HRA, you see in DA. Let us see entertainment allowance now, 1,200 rupees per month. Entertainment allowance. $1,200 per month. So 1,200 into 12 is equal to how much? 144,000. Okay. So here received 144,000. Is there an exemption on this? See, entertainment allowance, since we are asking here, consider section 16 deductions, we are not going to take the exemption permitted on entertainment allowance here. We will consider the entire thing here. If there are any deductions permitted,
Private
that we have to take it
company.
in the section 16. And also, this person is a private company employee. He's a private company employee. So there is no exemption or there is no deduction on entertainment allowance to him. So entire thing will be taxed. entire thing will be taxed. And next thing is, fifth one is what? CCA. Okay, CCA, city compensatory allowance is 600 per month. CCA is 600 per month into 12. Okay, is equal to how much? 7,200. Okay. 7,200. So he is receiving CCA of 7,200 rupees. 7,200 rupees. There is no deduction, exemption not permitted because it's allowance which is 100% taxable. Okay. So CCA is taken. Next is one new thing here, educational allowance. Okay, education allowance he is receiving. He is receiving education allowance. How much he is receiving? He is receiving 800 per month. He is receiving. Okay, for 2 children. Okay, in the sense the total he is receiving is 800 per month. 800 into 12, which is equal to 9,600. So he is receiving 9,600 education allowance. See, there is an exemption on this. It is a partly exempted allowance. Education allowance is a partly exempted allowance. So what is the exemption allowed? Okay. Exemption, you should remember this, exemption allowed is rupees 100 per month per child. Okay. The exemption allowed is rupees 100 per month per child. Okay, so that becomes, so 100 rupees per month means you have to consider 12 months. Okay. Then per child. Okay, so per child 100 rupees is allowed. He has got 2 children. Okay, 2 children, so it becomes equal to 100 rupees per child, and for 2 children it is permitted. Okay, into 12. Okay, that becomes 2,400. Okay, so you can see here an amount equal to 2,400 is exempt. So this is one new thing here that we are seeing. Okay, he has received 800 per month. For 12 months it becomes 9,600. In this 9,600 there is a exemption permitted. Okay. Exemption allowed for children's education is rupees 100 per month per child. Okay, since he has got 2 children, this becomes 100 into 2, and per month it is so much, so it becomes into 12. Okay, so that will be equal to 2,400. So 2,400 exemption he gets on education allowance of the children. So what remains? 9,600 minus 9,600 minus 2,400.
7,200.
7,000.
200.
Yeah, correct. 7,200. Okay, 7,200 is the education allowance taxable. So what is next? Seventh one is
Contributing for RPF.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so he and his employer are contributing 14% of salary to recognized provident fund. So what is permitted? Contribution from employer up to 12% is permitted or exempted. Okay, over and above 12%, whatever employer contributes, that should be taxed. Okay, but you can see here it is 14%, which is 2% more than the allowed limit of 12%. Okay, so for the 2%, you have to tax. See now, contribution to recognized provident fund from employer. Okay, so how much he is giving? 14% of salary he is giving. So 14%. First find out what is 14% of salary. %14 of salary. Okay, how much is this? 14% of salary. Okay, basic salary. Okay, because DA is not farming, you have to consider only the basic salary. 14% of 66,000. How much is this?
9,240.
9,240. Correct. Okay,
40.
so 9,240 he is receiving. Okay, he has received. It is told that it is 14%. Okay, exemption allowed is 12% of salary. Okay, how much is this exemption allowed? 12% of salary is how much? 12% of salary is how much? 12% of
7,920.
66,000. Okay, this is equal to 7,000.
7,920.
20. Okay, okay, correct. Okay, so 7,920 is allowed. He has received 9,240, permitted 9,720. Difference is how much?
1320.
1320. Okay, so this is the
1320.
yes, correct. Okay, so we have seen this, and the next
Professional tax.
see those things we'll be considering in the section 16 deductions. Okay, so this we have taken care. So this 3,000 rupees per month we have used in the HRA calculation exemption there. Okay, now, okay. So if you add all this, that gives us the gross salary, okay, from income. So here's gross income from salary. Add all this, add all the taxable ones. The entire column you have to add taxable 66,000.
1,58,520.
1,58,520.
58,520.
Good, correct. Okay, this is the gross income from salary. So to this now we have to deduct the if you want to arrive at the income from salary, okay, income from salary after considering section 16 deductions, okay, so we have to subtract from these things the section 16 deductions less section 16 deductions. Which is the first one there? They said first one is
Standard deduction.
standard deduction. Very good. Standard deduction. How much is that? 50,000 for the present, this one. And second one is which one? entertainment allowance. In this case, since he is a private employee, there is no entertainment allowance deduction permissible, 0. Okay. And then third one is what?
Professional tax.
Professional tax. Very good. Okay, yes. Professional tax. How much is that? 200 into 12. That is equal to 2,000.
400.
2,400. Okay. So what is sum of all this? $52,000. So 52,400. 52,400 is the total deduction under section 16. So this much you subtract from 1,58,520. Okay. So that gives you
1,06,120.
salary. How much you get?
1,06,120.
Yeah. So income from salary is how much? 1,06,120. Okay. So income from salary is 1,06,000. See, standard deductions is this is what section? This is section 16, subsection 1A. Okay. And this is section 16, subsection 2. And this is professional taxes, section 16, subsection 3. Okay, so this is how we have to solve this problem. So this is a very important problem. So wherein we have to consider a lot of things here, and also we have to consider section 16 deductions. Okay, so which will enable us to arrive at the income from salary. Okay, is this clear? Getting this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you understand this, this will help you in solving the case study. So there also 10 marks will be from this only. So this entire unit will definitely help you in solving this case study, 10 marks of case study, and then approximately 17 marks of one question on the unit 2. Okay, and which is also very important from a practical point of view as well as from the exam point of view. So this is one typical problem. See, from here we will see what extra will be there in the case study. In the case study for 20 marks, we will have this much definitely, first part there, and second part will be, so once you arrive at this income from salary, some extra information regarding income from the profit and gains of business or profession will be something there, and also be given some information about premium towards LIC policy, payment towards provident fund, and then no, some health insurance premium that you have paid. So which all get into the section 80 deductions. So you have to consider section 80 deductions there. You should remember section 80 deductions, okay, which is applicable to all the heads of income. So here the section 16 is applicable only to the income from salary or salaried persons. Okay. And section 80 is applicable. Section 80 deductions are applicable to all the heads of income, like whether the income is from salary, house property, capital gains, PGBP, or other income. For all those income, there's a common deduction called as section 80, section 80C. Okay, so that we are seeing in the unit number 4. So that is very important from the case study point of view as well. Okay. See, probably I'll have to take, there's one last problem that I want to solve in this. I think very less time is available now. Our time is getting up. So what I will do is I will take that problem tomorrow. Okay, I am going to stop the session with this just one important problem that you have solved now, which is very important from the exam point of view. And then let us see tomorrow again. Okay, I'm going to stop it here at this point. There is one last problem with which we are completing the unit 2 problems. Okay, because only 2 minutes is left out for me here, and I will continue the last problem tomorrow. Okay, thank you all very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
See you
sir.
again. Yeah. Bye bye. Take care. All.
Sir, thank you, sir.
नेटवर्क आया सर गया